Okay guys, just a real quick video to explain the directions for this assignment. We are going to be using a different program outside of Schoology, so I wanted to just make sure that we're all on the same page. Watch this video. If you have questions, please let me know. Should be fairly simple. So read this all. We're going to be talking about setting and how it relates to real people like us. And we're really just trying to understand the human experience. So we're going to be reading a nonfiction article on a website called Actively Learn. So what you need to do is you need to come down here and click on this link, and it's going to open up Actively Learn. Now, for you guys, I don't think any of you have an account, but you might from a different class or a different, maybe you had it last year or a few years ago, whatever. If you do and you remember your login stuff, great. Type it in here. Most of you will be hitting create an account. I have a login already because I was playing with it. So I am going to log in. And then I am going to type in the class code. So make sure that, it says 7th grade ELA, Ms. Searchman. Class code is back over here. All I need to do is copy it, Control C, and then paste it, Control V, join class. Here I am, it's brought me to the article. The thing that you need to focus on in this article is this right here. It says, as you read, ask yourself, what similarities and differences do you notice between your life and Ataka? That's the person the article is about. So this is just a poll. It's not graded or anything like that. It's just to see who knows what. So it says, do you know who Nomad is? You would choose your answer. I'll choose that. And then it gives you the first part of the article. So you're going to read. And then it's going to stop you at a comprehension question just to see if you are understanding the text. So you'll hit your response and then the rest of the article will come up. There's 2 more questions. I'm not going to hit the response here because it will show you the correct answer. And that would be kind of silly if I just gave you all the correct answers without having you read it. But when you are done answering all 3 questions, there are 3 questions, and you've read the whole article, you're going to come over here to assignment data. And it is going to give you, right here in the questions, it is going to give you your results, which ones you got right or wrong. Then you're going to come to your snipping tool, and you are going to screenshot it for me. You can either use the snipping tool or you can take a screenshot. It's totally up to you. I just like the snipping tool. I think it's easier. So you'll save that to your computer, name it something that you're going to remember. This is assignment 2.5.1. 2.5.1. Save it that way. Then you're going to come back over to Schoology. Oh, that was the wrong Schoology. Sorry. You can come back over to Schoology, hit the next page. I can't submit on here, so I'm just not even going to do that. But you'll click submit assignment. You'll upload the screenshot, or if you use the snipping tool, you'll upload the snip, and that's how you turn in the assignment. Cool? Let me know if you have any questions.